All right, we got this really nice 159-piece KOOPOOL tool set. First thing I want to say is amazing value. The number you're seeing on the page right now, that should be way higher. So it's crazy you can get all this for that number. So everything in here. First, we've got all the sockets right here. As you can see, a lot of them. You got the adapter right here. You've got, show you this really quick. Very nice. You got the utility knife right here. I'll pull that out. Very nice again. You got the hammer that I'll show you. And you've also got this right here, that where you can keep that covered right there. Put this back away. You've got, oh, let's just show you all the bits right here. All the bits right here. So you got a ton of these. You've got, let's see, where's the, show you this piece right here. Show you the screwdrivers now. Put it off to the side. You got the, let's come over here. Oh, you know what? Let's show you this. I forget what this is called, but this can bend and lights. So you got that. You've got all the wrenches right here. As you can see right here. You've got the hex keys right here and right here. So there's quite a few of those. There's those. You got this wrench, the adjustable wrench right here. Needle nose pliers right here. And then you've got, all these screwdrivers down here as well as, what are these called again? What's in this? Wood screw assortment kit for, let me just, well, yeah, I'll open it really quick just so you can see it. Got that in there. So, oh, and the measuring tape. Measuring tape that goes to 10 feet right here. So, very nice set. And very nice case as well. Great value. This thing's amazing. You're going to love it. It's going to come in very handy for you. Highly recommend.